You want to tell Tammy and Izzy? What are you going to... Blow him a kiss, Gia. Blow him a kiss. Blow him kisses. Blow kisses. Gia. Wave. Wave. Wave over here to the camera. Okay, wave. Wave. Let me see. Wave to Izzy and Aunt Tammy. Wave. Wave like this, Gia. Gia. Wave. Wave. Let me see you wave. 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 Wave to them. Tell them bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. Give them a kiss. Give them kisses. Oh, give them a kiss. Give them a kiss. Oh. Oh, that's so sweet. Wave, Gia. Gia, wave. Wave, Gia. Izzy's watching this. You better wave to her. Gia, wave. Gia, look at Mama. Gia, look. Hey. Okay, wave. You just want to wave with the book? Okay. Blow him a kiss. Mwah. Oh, you're giving him a kiss? Okay. That works. Just tell Izzy that was meant for her. You're pretending. So I'm pretending Oscar to go out as you, Izzy. I'm kissing you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kiss her. Mwah. Oh. Oh. That is so sweet.